To buy or sell crypto to Cash App P2P in Binance. Start by creating an account on Binance and completing the verification process. This will give you access to the peer-to-peer marketplace where you can find buyers or sellers who use Cash App. Next, go to the Binance P2P page and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, and the fiat currency you want to use. Choose Cash App as the payment method and set your preferred price and the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. When buying, you will see a list of available sellers who use Cash App. Check the seller's rating, the price they are offering, and the payment terms. Make sure to read the terms of the trade carefully before sending a trade request. Once you have found a suitable seller, send a trade request and wait for the seller to accept it. The seller will then send you the cryptocurrency and you will send the payment to the seller via Cash App. When selling, you will see a list of available buyers who use Cash App. Check the buyer's rating, the price they are offering, and the payment terms. Make sure to read the terms of the trade carefully before sending a trade request. Once you have found a suitable buyer, send a trade request and wait for the buyer to accept it. You will then send the cryptocurrency to the buyer and the buyer will send the payment to you via Cash App. It is essential to follow best practices when trading on Binance P2P, such as only trading with verified users, using the escrow service, and being cautious of scams. Always check the user's rating and read reviews from other traders before making a trade. By following these steps, you can safely and securely buy or sell crypto to Cash App P2P in Binance. Remember to stay vigilant and take necessary precautions to protect yourself from potential scams and risks.